Hey everybody, welcome back to Rusty Wrench Restorations. I'm Steve, and I've got a special favor for you tonight. It is Monday, January 19th, 2026, and I need you to help me get a fellow YouTuber over his 1,000 subscriber mark. He's at 989. He needs 11 more. 11 more subscribers, and this guy can start getting paid on YouTube. So, the name of the channel is Cedar Stone Estate. I'll put a link below. I'll tag his channel in it. I'll probably put it up here in some text. But Marcel is an awesome guy. He's got a great channel. If you like the stuff I do, he does a lot of the similar kinds of things. It's a little more refined than I am. He's got a John Deere 755 and 855, loaders, backhoe. He's got Volkswagen Bug. Lots of stuff around his estate. He's got a retaining pond that he cares for. But he does everything, welding, electrical, you name it. He's a super smart guy, well organized, and he puts out some great videos. So if you can, just take 2 seconds, run over there. It costs you absolutely nothing. Just hit that subscribe button to his channel. It's called Cedar Stone Estate. His name is Marcel. Tell him that Steve from Rusty Wrench Restoration sent you, and I think you're really going to enjoy his channel. I appreciate you. We'll see you next week.